Rummy, how much should I spend on prepping my house to put it on the market? Speaking to all of our sellers and buyers out there, mostly the sellers, hey guys, this is Rummy with eXp Realty, your real estate experts. Now, one of another questions that my sellers do ask us, and how much should I spend on prepping your house? Now, the real answer is going to be depending on what market that you're in. For example, if you're in a seller's market with low inventory, you might not need to do that much. But if you are in a buyer's market, then yes, you might need to prep your home to get it ready to get it sold, right? Because you're going to be the competition with other homes on the market where there's more inventory involved. So, but my answer would always be spend little as possible. Here are the few things that you would want to consider on doing. Number one, a paint. Paint is probably a neutral paint is probably the number one return on your investment that you could get, right? Again, depending on the market. So if you're watching this video when there's a low inventory, which we are in right now, 2023, beginning of 2023, then right now might not be the time to go ahead and do a fresh coat on paint, right? Spending another 10 to 20 grand, depending on your house, might not be the best possible price because again, low inventory, more buyers that your house will sell. And also it could be just sometimes repainting your kitchen cabinets, putting new knobs on the cabinets, okay? That's a low cost too as well. Changing the carpet is another low cost as well. So those are major eye-pointing things when a buyer is actually coming into the house and looking at it and seeing it from their critical eyes. So make sure that you spend less in the very beginning. You're not overspending, first of all, and also get your expert agent in your area to show you exactly what's happening in the marketplace and what are your competition and what they have and what they are doing in their market. All right. And the next thing is also going to be making sure that you pick your local agent to compare your houses to what is the competition and what is not the competition. Hey guys, Rummy here again. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe button so we can send you more video. Thank you so much.